Hello everybody, we are going to try a fish fry. It's not a normal fish fry, it's a banana stuffed and like in Malayalam we say Meen POLLICHATHU. Because the fish fry makes a great side dish for every meal and it has more nutritional value to our meal. For starting the fish fry, we are going to add the ingredients. First is the pink perch, in Malayalam we say Kilimeen, and coriander leaf, then 2 ginger and one little bit big size garlic and small onions. The small onions are best, so better you try for small onions, and 2 curry leaf and 1 lemon. So for marinating, what all ingredients is needed is like 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 2 tablespoon of red chili and 2 tablespoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoon of coriander and 5 cloves and around 10 to 15 peppers. Actually, it's all depend on your spice, how much spice you need it, that much spice you can use it. We just have only a little bit peoples, that's the reason we use it, and if according to the peoples you can increase your spices also. So for marinating, first we have to do all spices, all powders, we have to dry roast it. For that we kept the pan. So it's now dry roasting. So in the medium flame we have to dry roast, not much time. Don't overeat it. If you overeat, it will become like color will change, the taste also will change. So don't overeat it. In the full medium you have to dry roast. Okay, then we already dry roasted, and in that we added ginger garlic. Already we had done the paste and the dry roasted that powders and masalas, and we put a little bit salt. We are a little bit one time also we're trying for mixing it so that it all get blended properly. For that we are doing one more time in a jar. Okay guys, so we are going to treat this leaf. Already we treated it, treat this overeat it so that we can tenderize it and so that you can be easy to wrap. So in little bit in gas, just overeat it. So it's will be proper like this also it will be. You guys can see. So guys, we taken the pink perch fish and already we grinded one, and we are going to marinate. Now we're going to apply everything in the fish. So for 1 to 2 hours we are going to marinate and going to keep it. So for marinating, first we are going to add squeezing a lemon, half lemon for one fish. Before that, little bit cut it off, the sides and all, so that all masalas just go inside of it. Now going to add masalas. Pepper, turmeric, green garam masalas. Nicely we have to add it so that all masala blends properly. So now taking the second fish and what the lemon we had. So one more piece was there, that piece we added. Nicely squeeze off. Now going to add masalas. So all ingredients are marinated properly. Now you have to keep for 1 to 2 hours so that nicely it get blended with that every masalas. Then only it tastes super. On the top of it we are going to add a little bit of masalas, like masalas and onions. So take a pan, heat oil, around 2 tablespoons of oil, and if you get small onions it's the best because it tastes good, but we not got a small onion, so we got onions which it's not 4-5 onions we taken. So onions we already added. Now saute it well till become translucent. So it became translucent now. I'm going to add curry leaf. So now you added onion, curry leaf and coriander leaf. Nicely saute it well. That raw smell should go off and that aroma, nice aroma will come out. Next going to add tomato. So we added one tomato like that with sliced. I'm going to add 2 or 3 green chilies. Chilies and all add as per your taste and spices how much needed. Here and all chilies are more spicy. Nicely blend well. That every raw smell should go off. Next we are going to add salt. Combine well. So we added one leftover masalas which we used for marinating. That also we added in this. And forgot to say, we added pudina. Pudina aroma smell is so good, so fresh. Really nice. After blending everything, nice smell is coming out. So everything combined well now. Now off the gas. So after 1 or 2 hours, it already nicely got marinated. Now we are going to wrap in a banana leaf. So we added the masalas. Then after marinating, we added that onion masalas also. And now we are going to wrap. So now we are completely going to wrap in the leaf. All masalas and everything. So one pink perch fish we already wrapped properly. Now we are going to tie it. So now we are going to tie it. You can tie with cotton, like you have thread and all, means you can tie with any cotton threads. We got that banana, like your nose it, that thread type. You can tie with that. Now next we are going to add the second fish, nicely wrapping. So we completely wrapped it. Now we already heated the pan. In the pan we are going to add a little bit of oil. Now oil is getting heat. It's already got heated. Now going to add the wrapped, and we are going to place it, the wrapped fish. And we have to cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. It's depend on the fishes. Some fishes will take more time. So now going to second side, turn it off. So cook it both sides. nicely so that it depends on your crispy and softness, how much crispy you need it, how much softness you need. After that, cook well. Just keep in the low flame so that fishes and all nicely have to cook from inside. So it's now nice. So now it's nicely cooked both sides. So around 8 to 10 minutes taken for cooking. It depends on you guys, okay? If you want soft, you can try for more time. If you want crispy, you can try for more time. Soft means little bit time lesser. And even for the fishes, it takes varies the fishes according to the time. Now we are going to remove. So we already removed. So we are going to open the wrap. Really nice smell is coming out. So all masalas are nicely blended now. You guys can see all masalas nicely blended. You can see how it is nice. That vapor is coming out. That heat. So in the lockdown, I know you guys can't go for hotels or anything. You can try in your home. It's really easy to try. So if you have banana leaf, you can try in your home itself. So you can try with any fishes you like. So you can have with any side dish. As a side dish you can have it the cooked rice, or with any curries, any rices, or with the fish curry also you can try. So if you like it, give a thumb up, comment if you tried in your home. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.